Ever wondered how bowlers like James Anderson or Bhuvneshwar Kumar make the ball dance in the air? This mysterious movement is called swing, and it's a reason even the best batsmen in the world look silly sometimes. But how does it actually work? When a cricket ball travels through the air, it doesn't always go in a straight line. Swing happens because of how air flows around the ball. One side is shiny and smooth, while the other is rough. This difference makes air move fast on one side and slow on the other, creating pressure that pulls the ball sideways. There are mainly three types of swing. Outswing moves away from the batsman. Inswing moves towards a batsman. Reverse swing. At high speeds, over 85 miles per hour, the ball suddenly swings in the opposite direction because the rough side drags more air. Batsmen have just a fraction of a second to judge where the ball will go. The swing happens late, making it almost impossible to adjust in time. Plus, good bowlers hide the seam position to disguise the swing. This is why even legends like Sachin Tendulkar and Virat Kohli have been beaten by swing bowling. Swing is all about aerodynamics. Smooth airflow on the shiny side, turbulent airflow on the rough side, a pressure difference that pulls the ball sideways. This principle is called the Magnus Effect, which also explains how football free kicks curve. Swing equals sideways ball movement. Three types: outswing, inswing, reverse swing. Hard to play because of speed and late movement. Magnus Effect equals key science behind swing.